Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to subtract in Excel. Whether you're crunching numbers or analyzing data, subtraction is a tool you'll use time and time again. So let's get started and master the art of subtraction in Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Starting your equation. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open your Excel spreadsheet. Double-click on any empty cell where you want your result to appear. Now, here comes the magic. Type the equal sign. This signals Excel that you're about to enter a formula. Step 2. Selecting cells and entering the formula. Next, you'll select the cell containing the first number in your equation. Click on it to highlight it. After that, type in the minus sign. Now, choose the cell containing the second number in your equation. Step 3. Completing the formula. Go ahead and press the Enter key, and Excel performs the subtraction for you. Step 4. Applying the formula to multiple rows. If you have a bunch of rows with similar calculations, you don't have to repeat the formula over and over. Check this out. Move to the cursor right corner of the cell with your formula until you see a little plus sign. Click and drag it down to the bottom of your data table. Whoa, you just applied the formula to all the rows automatically. That's it. Now you've learned how to subtract in Excel. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.